Welcome back to Beautyistic, everyone. Today, we're diving into something a little different, the SC Johnson Professional Kresto Classic Industrial Super Heavy Duty Hand Cleaner with Grit. This is a 2-liter heavy-duty hand cleaner designed specifically for industrial use, perfect for tackling tough grease, oil, and grime that just won't come off with regular soap. It comes in a pack of 4 and is made especially for professionals who need a serious degreaser that's tough on dirt but gentle on skin. Now, this isn't your everyday hand soap. It's formulated with mild solvents to break down those stubborn oil-based contaminants without damaging your skin. What makes it stand out is the scrubbing agent, Astapon, which is essentially finely ground walnut shell powder. This adds a natural grit that helps lift away grime effectively, but rinses away easily, which is important because it helps prevent clogging your drains or pipes, a thoughtful touch for industrial or workshop environments. Plus, it's silicone-free, and testing has shown it doesn't affect rubber vulcanization processes, which is a big plus in certain professional settings. So, I tried this out after working with some pretty grimy tools and materials. What struck me first was the texture. It's thick and creamy with just enough grit to really scrub without feeling abrasive. Applying it was straightforward. A little goes a long way because the formula is dense, so you don't need to waste much product to get your hands clean. After rubbing it in, it didn't dry out my skin like some heavy-duty cleaners can. In fact, my hands felt clean but not stripped, which is crucial when you're washing frequently during a busy day. One thing to keep in mind, because it's designed for industrial use, it's heavier than your typical hand wash, so it's not really meant for delicate or everyday home use. But if you're in a profession where your hands get covered in grease, paint, or oil, this will definitely cut through that grime efficiently. I tested it after a few days of heavy gardening and mechanical work, and it performed consistently without irritating my skin or leaving residue. Let's talk about the pros. It's incredibly effective against tough dirt and oil. The walnut shell powder is a great natural scrubbing agent that avoids harsh abrasiveness. It rinses off cleanly, and the formula is gentle enough to avoid dryness. The silicone-free aspect and independent testing for compatibility with rubber processes add a level of professionalism and safety for users in industrial environments. On the flip side, it's a pretty specialized product. If you're not dealing with heavy-duty grime daily, it might be overkill. Also, the scent is quite utilitarian, not fragranced for a spa experience, so it's all business here. The large 2-liter bottle is great for workplaces, but might be bulky for home use. Finally, because it's a professional product, the price point can be higher than regular hand soaps, but that's expected given its formulation and target use. In terms of value, this is a product designed with industrial users in mind, and it delivers. Its thick, effective formula means you use less per wash, stretching the product out over time. While it's not cheap, the efficiency and skin-friendly nature make it worth the investment if you need a reliable heavy-duty cleaner. Compared to some other industrial hand cleaners I've tried, Kresto Classic stands out for balancing grit and skincare without compromising either. I haven't had direct contact with SC Johnson's customer service, but the brand's professional line has a solid reputation for supporting industrial clients well, which is reassuring if you ever need assistance. If you're looking for something similar, but at a lower price, and don't mind a less specialized formula, there are a few mechanic hand cleaners out there, but they often lack the skin-friendly ingredients or tend to be harsher on the skin. So, Kresto Classic definitely occupies a nice middle ground of tough cleaning with skin safety. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers and professionals can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. To wrap up, the SC Johnson Professional Kresto Classic Industrial Super Heavy Duty Hand Cleaner is a no-nonsense, powerful solution for anyone who deals with stubborn industrial grime. It cleans thoroughly, cares for your skin, and comes in a smart, practical formula that's clearly designed with professionals in mind. If you're in construction, automotive work, or any field where your hands get seriously dirty, this product will serve you well. Thanks for watching. You can find a link to purchase the Kresto Classic Hand Cleaner in the description box below. If you've already used this product, drop a comment. I'd love to hear your experience with it. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.